Hi, my name is Chase Lahr. I am a sophomore mechanical engineering major at Johns Hopkins University, and this is my 2021 Gearbox project for mechanics-based design. This gearbox contains a worm and a worm gear, while the outer housing is made from spare pallet wood held together with an assortment of screws and nails. The shaft that you see on the left, or the input shaft, was made from broken plastic forks and spoons. This gearbox works by twisting this input shaft, which will rotate the worm gear, in turn rotating the output shaft located on the back. For the second half of this project, I analyzed my initial design to figure out what went right and what could be improved. As seen from the previous clip, the outer housing was constructed out of wood, as well as the top axle was made from stainless steel. Both of these are very rigid materials which would hold their position well over a long period of time. The low axle, however, was made from plastic spoons and had a tendency to bend quite a bit when rotating, as well as bend an enormous amount if the motion of the top gear was restricted. This was the main problem that I focused on fixing for my second round of the gearbox design. I also improved the spacing between the two gears to eliminate the squeaking noise that was present earlier, as well as I added a handle to the outer edge of the input axle to better allow for rotation. As you can see, the general design did not change much. The biggest changes are the replacement of the spoons with this plastic tube as the middle axle. The spacer I kept to properly align the worm with the worm gear. I also added this handle on the end in the form of an Allen wrench. If we rotate it, we can tell that there is no longer a squeaking noise, as well as the rotation is so much smoother than the first rendition. Looking on the back, we can see that the rotation of the output gear is also a lot smoother. Finally, I just wanted to mention a couple things that could have been improved with better access to more materials. If I had access to a bandsaw or even just a bigger saw, I could have made straighter cuts along the wood to prevent wobbling, as well as constructed a proper axle and handle for the lower gear. Thank you.